Stay with me until the end of the video. The tricks in this video are super useful, but the last one is truly amazing and different. Don't miss it. If this trick was helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of these useful ideas. In the video above, you can see the trick for sharpening a knife with an old battery. If you're interested, feel free to visit my channel and watch it.
Hey, follow this channel for awesome DIY tricks. Don't forget to like and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more videos.